Hello kids, today learning shapes name and colors name. This shape and colors. Chile kids, colors name red color, this color, light green color, this color, yellow color, this color, orange color, purple color, this color, blue color. Kids, shapes drawing and color fill. Rectangle. Kids, rectangle. Rectangle. This shape. Circle. This shape. Pentagon. This shape, pentagon. Kids, this shape. Triangle. This shape. Square. This shape is square. Kids, this shape. Cloud. Kids, cloud. Kids, color fill in this shape. First color. Kids, light green color. Rectangle. 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 This color, blue color. This shape, circle. This shape, circle. This shape, circle. Next color. This color, yellow. Triangle. Kids, triangle. This color, red color. Square. Kids, square. 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 This color, orange color. Orange color, cloud. This color, purple color, pentagon. Pentagon. Kids, this shape repeat. Rectangle, circle, pentagon, triangle, square, cloud. Kids, video likes and channel, subscribe. Thank you kids. Next video.